Hi guys, and welcome back to another lovely, delicious episode of Shelly's Homemade. And today, guys, guess what? We're gonna be making some of those viral blueberry swim biscuits. Yes. So I have my pan here. First thing we gotta do is get some of this good old butter. Butter. Into this is salted sweet cream butter. And we're just gonna get it into a 375-degree oven to melt and get all nice and bully. So I got this like this, and I'm gonna get this into the oven and come right back. Guys, I love biscuits, and I've been wanting to make these swim biscuits for a minute now when I seen them like a year or so ago. So, but now they did up the ante, adding blueberries, strawberries. I think one lady had pineapples, but I'm going to try the blueberry ones today. So, I'm telling you, I am ready to do this. Okay. Y'all know I'm extra, so you know I'm going to put a Shelly spin on this, but of course. Now, I'm going to go in. It's 4 cups of flour. That was 4 cups. So I'm going to whisk it so we don't have no lumps. They use buttermilk, but I'm going to use heavy cream because that's actually how I'll make my biscuits, actually. So we're going to use some heavy cream. They use a teaspoon of salt, which is actually correct for biscuits. Alright. Then they added baking powder. 4 teaspoons of baking powder. 1, 2, 3, 4. And just mix all of this. And they use 2 teaspoons. They use a tablespoon of sugar, but I'm gonna use a half a cup. Cause these blueberries, we want them sweet, right? Alright, so before I pour the milk, my heavy cream in here, I'm going to take out a half a cup, and that's to toss my blueberries that I've already washed. I put them back in the container. And just that in there like that. And if you feel you need some more, but this should be good. Because you want a sticky dough. I'm going to add a little more heavy cream. I'm going to do about a half a cup. Now, when I bake is when I actually do all the measuring. Alright, so. Alright. Because I'm not rolling this out, and it was kind of a wet, dry dough they had going on.
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
See, look at it. Alright. So, in this container, this is like me making blueberry muffins. I'm just going to pour this over, just so it'll evenly distribute all over. Thing. Alright. Alright, I'm not using the whisk anymore. Alright. Now this is what I would actually want when I'm doing my biscuits. It's like this, so I could, you know, roll them and fold them. But theirs was wetter than mine, so I guess they used 2 cups. Could be different because this heavy cream or whatever. That's I should have held some out to put on top to make it pretty. But this looks good. Alright. Alright, so I'm going to go check that butter and see if it's ready. Okay, so when the butter is good and melty like this, we're going to go here and get our biscuits, our blueberry biscuits. Let's get it, those biscuits in there. Whew. Get them all up in there. You know what? I'm going to use my hand. Y'all probably like, oh, you doing it wrong, you doing it wrong. Hopefully it'll come out right. Now she said cut these in like 9 ways. Let's smooth these biscuits out. Got little cracks in them. We're gonna smooth them out. Get a smooth biscuit. Alright, so I'm trying to smooth it out. Alright, so cut into 9. Like this. I'm like, once you put it right in the oven. So I tell it got bubbly golden brown 20 minutes, she said. Or tell it was bubbly and golden brown. So let's see how this works. Okay, so now that our swim biscuits, our blueberry swim biscuits, are still in the oven, but they're almost ready to come out. They just need a few more minutes. So I'm going to take these few minutes to make a glaze to go over the top of those. So I have a cup of confectionery sugar. We're going to use about half a teaspoon of some heavy cream and about half a teaspoon or 1/4 of a teaspoon of some vanilla. Alright, hold on. So it's almost there. So I'm just going to add a little more. So now a teaspoon. And you want to get it to the consistency that you like. Almost there. Add a little more. So you want to add them in increments, so you don't want it to be too runny or too thick. So you just get it to the consistency you like it. And this is the consistency I want. Beautiful. Yep, as soon as we take those biscuits out, we're going to pour this right on top. Oh, wow. Guys, look at this. It's absolute. It came out better than I imagined. It's beautiful. Yeah. I'm just going to go ahead and just put this on while it's nice and piping hot and pour all this beautiful glaze. Look at this. right. Guys, let me know in the comment section how I did. Like, this is good. I think I did excellent. Like, I really do. I think I did a really good job making this, doing this. It looks beautiful. All right, so let's give it a try and see that I do a good job. But I kind of let it soak in. Ooh. Get all of it out. Oh, it's so nice and crumbly. Oh my goodness. So I'm eating while it's piping hot. Alright, so look at that. Alright, so I'm gonna try it. It's hot. I don't want to burn my mouth off. Oh, then I'm dropping stuff. I want to get this blueberry stain stuff. Okay. Tastes like a biscuit. Okay, I like it. I wasn't sure I was gonna like it or not. Okay. It's buttery. It's crumbly. The blueberry stands out. Okay. Okay. I like it. I like it, guys. So, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, guys, have a wonderful day. And guess what? I'm going to see you in the next video.